Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Dominguez and I am the athletic trainer at Condolet High School. I am going to run through the registration process for athletes. Just in case you have any questions or just need some help figuring out how to do this, I'm going to run through it with you right now. I already have an account, so I'm just going to click sign in, but I will show you what the registration looks like to register if you don't have an account. You're going to click register. And from there you will type first name, last name, email, confirmation of email, password, security question, and then hit submit and your account will be created. I'm going to hit sign in. If you have a new account, none of this will be here. It will be blank, but I'm going to hit start clearance here. That's the first step you want to do to get your daughter cleared for athletics. Oops. And I'm going to just select this year and find the school. I'm going to just choose basketball because it's the first on the list. You will have an opportunity later on the registration process to register your daughter for multiple sports if they're a multi-sport athlete. For now, for this very first step, I just want you to choose the first sport your daughter will be participating in. And then hit submit. Now, if you already have an account and have already registered from previous years, this will be very easy because you can just select the student already in the system and it will pre-populate all your information. I will go through it new, so I will just type in my information. Great, I'll just do 10th. I'm just going to put some false information in there. Address, I'll just use the school's address. And then type in the physician's phone number just in case, preferred hospital in case of emergency, and then whatever is applicable here and push save. The next step is one of the most important parts. We need a current physical on file, and this physical is only valid for one school year. And you always want to make sure that the physical is signed. This is the physical form that we use, and this needs to be filled out by the physician. You want to make sure that the physician signs it, dates it, and we need a doctor's stamp required with signature. So without that stamp, without any of this information down below, this whole form is invalid and we would not be able to accept it. So please make sure those are done before you upload this or the account will not be cleared. So I'm just going to upload a blank copy. So I'm going to go, I just saved it as a physical form, but you can save it as your daughter's name or whatnot and push open. And from there it will automatically connect to your account. Proof of insurance is always nice to have on file. We have the information that you filled out on the previous page, so if necessary we can get it from there, but a picture of it is always nice to have. So you can add a picture of that on there, and that's the only thing you need to do on this page. So then you push save. From here you are just going to go through medical history and click anything that pertains to your daughter, just so we have a better idea of any medical conditions or anything going on. From here you're going to type in parent guardian information. So I'm just going to do basic once again. And then we do need one emergency contact on file. recommend for this, whatever your preference. Read this over and choose what you want. This next step is all of our online signatures. We need you to read over each one and fill out each and sign each form. You, as long as your student needs to do that. So please have both of you present. So just go through, and I'm just going to sign all of these just to save some time, but please read over each and every form. Have your athlete read over each and every form. They're very important, and you need to know the information on each form. So I'm going to go skip down and push submit. From here, down here is where you will select the additional sports that your daughter participates in. So you can select from any of these. There's fall, winter, spring. There's a few club teams on here as well. So choose whatever is applicable to your daughter, whatever sport she plays, choose them, and then you click the confirmation down here. Oops. And then you hit submit. So then you will be brought back to this page right here, and these are all my different registrations. If you registered for more than one sport, multiple will come up here with the different sports names. The last one that I did was this one right here, and it says uncleared right now because no one has reviewed my account, but once I have reviewed your account, this will show up as either cleared or denied. If it's cleared, you're all good to go. Your daughter is able to participate in sport. If it's denied, I will be sending you a follow-up email that explains why it's denied. Most likely it will be if there's something wrong with the physical or something of the sort. So look out for that. If you have any questions though, my email is on the website and you can always reach out to me and I would be more than happy to answer any questions. All right, have a great